Morning. Fancy a room tour? The Gardenia Hotel in Perissa Santorini, room 33. It's about as basic as they come, but it's clean, relatively modern, and functions with everything you need. This is a studio room, self-catering for 2 people. There's some old-fashioned furniture, but the beds are comfortable. We've got 2 singles, kind of suits us, to be honest. Little kitchenette area with a fridge and whatnot, and you've got your usual kettle and toaster and bits and pieces. Not that we're planning on using that, we do use the kettle. Little table and chairs. TV on the wall, haven't even plugged that in, shan't be using that. We've got aircon up there. There's probably bigger rooms than this, but there's only 2 of us, so bathroom looks like it's been reasonably recently done. Small, but works perfectly well. We'll have bits and bobs in there. Decent shower. And that's about it really. As I said, it's basic, but it works. And for the price you pay, I don't think you can go wrong really. And the actual pool area everywhere is beautiful, it's really nice. There's Wi-Fi.
Hello.
Is it warm enough?
Too warm.
So you can see some of the other rooms there. The pool's just down there. Pool bar over there. Some hills, some mountains there. And the beach is over there. Beautiful. Happy days.